somebody's gonna get fucked up. Right now when I deal in the bad luck. Can't food up to eat when I'm hungry. Somebody's gonna get fucked up. Right now when I deal in the bad luck. The war it get ugly. Somebody's gonna get fucked up. Can't food up to eat when I'm hungry. Right now when I deal in the bad luck. The war it get ugly. You can't look into the face of a Volador and Google and stand up in a Jordan's comfy. So when I step for a concrete jungle, the mother man better keep it humble. Hunt. You might get food for the family. Somebody's gonna get fucked up. Right now when I deal in the bad luck. Can't food up to eat when I'm hungry. Somebody's gonna get fucked up. Right now when I deal in the bad luck. You can't look into the face of a Volador. Listening. Let's take it a little step further. When I'm hunting the food, I'm the wickedest. I'll wipe off your face like a burger. You better not end up on a hit list. That means you become my prey. Eyes on the prize, I didn't know that I'm killing it. So you better hope and pray that my belly doesn't get empty. Cause them time I'm moving deadly. I'm looking for the food like a parcel. Then I'm bringing that back to my castle. That's where the kings stay protected. Time well invested. I gotta stand firm and I can't fall. I'm loving this concrete jungle. Raw, I never Yo, dark and they call me the great white. When I'm on the road it's a bait night. Cold-blooded killer. Yes, I'm a predator, I never get stage fright. I'm ready with a knife and fork. I'm looking for the whole free course. Nothing gets left on the plate, there's nothing to say. I don't talk, actions speak a lot louder. So let me just show them the power of the founder, #1 prowler. Sweet, not sour, food every hour. Regular is food that I'm seeking. So if I catch anybody sleeping, I'm grabbing the easiest food.